Hello, my name is Nick. When I did a National Student Leadership Conference or NSLC for engineering at Northwestern University, one of the workshops we did was all the engineering students got split up into 3 groups, and we had 3 hours to make a small wind turbine, and the goal was to have the most efficient wind turbine with electricity output to cost ratio. My group, we designed how we were going to build the wind turbine, and then we went up to the front table, which was known as the store, and bought the supplies that were needed. We spent about $32, and then we cut them to have the lengths that we wanted, and we built a wind turbine. Our wind turbine got second place, having about half a volt of output to $32 of cost. This is what our wind turbine looked like. This project helped me with the economic aspect of sustainable development. Sustainable development is using the resources but leaving enough so that in the future there can still be future advancement. It's meeting the needs of today without sacrificing the needs of tomorrow. This deals with the economic aspect of it, how feasible is it to do, and a social aspect where will society actually use it, and the ecological aspect of how it affects the environment. Having to try and make the wind turbine with the least cost but still having it be quality and work really helped me with the economic aspect of sustainable development, because it helped me to understand how you would go about making it so that you can make the project economically feasible so that society will accept it, like with the wind turbine, accepting using the renewable wind energy so that we can get away from fossil fuels, which will just keep on getting more and more expensive to use for making electricity more and more expensive. But if we can use the renewable resources, and with wind energy, what is known as an inexhaustible resource, because you can't run out of wind, because it's just part of how nature works unless you completely destroy the environment. But that's a whole bigger problem. So and also it helped with me to somewhat realize the social part of sustainable development, because oftentimes with products, the social part of sustainable development is linked with the economic part of sustainable development, and sometimes also the ecological is linked, but they all have to work together to have sustainable development truly work. Not only did this project help me with wind energy, as in helping me understand how wind energy is harnessed and used to create electricity, but it helped me to better understand how you would go about tackling any problem in engineering, and trying to make the product make the world a better place, but also meet the needs of today without sacrificing the needs of tomorrow.